Well, we have actual confirmation now that Jalek Swoll will not be racing the final of the SMX playoffs. This actually, obviously, after his crash, where I think he put it, took a quick nap. Kind of funny how like nonchalant being knocked out and laying on a track is kind of taken here. But Bobby Hewitt, the Triumph Racing USA team principal, said, quote, "This is not the end of the Super Motocross World Championship that we wanted, of course, but Jalek Swoll's health is our main priority. As a team and after a very successful season, we had high hopes for Jalek in SMX. So his crash was very unfortunate, as they always are. The Triumph Racing team, truck, and staff will be present at the final round in Las Vegas so that racing fans can see the TF250X in person, and then we'll return to our base in Georgia, regroup, and begin our preparations for 2025. I mean, you gotta say that's a pretty big thing for them to make the effort to bring the whole, you know, drive all the way up there, put everything out, put the bike out, let everyone see it. And for most people, it's gonna be nothing. Who cares? You're gonna go, you might look at a bike for 20, 30 seconds and walk away because there's no signings. It's not gonna be nobody there to do anything. It's just a lot of effort for a little bit of a show, and I mean, it's good for them. And I guess we'll go into next year with who knows, maybe Swoll, maybe Faulkner, and who else they sign for that team. It's a good question. Who knows at this point? The Faulkner thing's a rumor, but it seems to be the one that's kind of sticking around for a while. So more than likely, they're pretty close to it. And hopefully for him, he's healthy. Taking this weekend off where he's already out of the points and there's no reason for him to race. It's probably pretty smart. But comments down below. You guys tell me. Are you going to the final round? Who do you think wins? Has it been a good playoffs for you? Whatever you want to say. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do because it just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.